Welcome back to Kinder Playtime. Today we are playing Guess Who. Will you help me guess each character? Great, let's get started. This character is wearing something on their head. They really like gold and treasure. Do you have a guess yet? It's a boy. He has big boots and a sword. That's right, it's Jake the pirate. Who could be next? This character is not an animal. Who could it be? They have dark hair. It's a girl. Oh boy, do you know who it is yet? She wears a lab coat. It's Doc McStuffins, of course. Let's figure out the next character. This character is wearing shoes. They hang out in a big clubhouse with all their friends. I wonder who it could be. It's a girl. She loves pink and polka dots. Why, it's Minnie Mouse. I wonder who is up next. Let's find out. This character is an animal. Interesting. I wonder who it is. They have big white eyes. It's a boy. Do you have a guess yet? He has wings. That leaves Stuffy. Hi, Stuffy. Who is the next character we need to guess? This character is wearing lots of clothes. They are not an animal. Wow, I wonder who this will turn out to be. They like to sail on a pirate ship. Cool. Do you have a guess? They only have one hand. Well, of course, that's Captain Hook. Great game. Thanks so much for playing with me. We'll catch you next time here on Kinder Playtime. Bye!